Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the top 5 Essence eyeshadow palettes. I also have 2 more palettes that they didn't hit the top 5 spot, but they are almost there. And these palettes are the Follow Your Heart and the Ho Ho Ho. This is the Christmas palette. The Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette is a very user-friendly palette. You can create a variety of makeup looks. In the Ho 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 palette we have a different type of shimmer eyeshadows that you can apply easier with your fingertip and not with a brush. And in both of these palettes we don't have a brow bone highlighter that I can use, and that's why they are runner-ups. For number 5 we have Never Give Up Your Daydream. This palette contains 9 shimmer eyeshadows. You can use them as eyeshadow toppers or as highlighters on your cheekbone. It is very easy to apply them on top of other eyeshadows with a dry brush or with your fingertip, and if you want to make them ultra shiny you can also use a setting spray. If you have a lot of neutral eyeshadow palettes and you want once in a while to change your makeup look, you can use some of these shades and you can add a little bit of color and sheen on your eyeshadows. In the number 4 spot we have the Wonderfoil Extreme Metal Matte Eye Palette. In this palette we have 8 shimmer eyeshadows and 4 beautiful pigmented matte eyeshadows. The shimmer eyeshadows are working fantastic with a dry brush. You can also use them with your fingertip. All of the eyeshadows are very blendable and they have a very nice color payoff. Especially for this palette, it is better to do your eye makeup before your face makeup because we have a lot of fallouts. For the third best palette, we have the Million Nude Faces Eyeshadow Box 1. This is one of the first palettes by Essence that I absolutely loved. This palette is so easy to use and we have 5 matte and 5 shimmer eyeshadows. You can create a lot of different makeup looks for every day, for a night out with your girlfriends. In this palette I like that we have some brow bone highlighters in matte and shimmer finish because I know that not a lot of people like shimmer eyeshadows on their brow bone. I like these shades because you don't have to use a setting spray to intensify the sheen of the eyeshadows. The second best palette is In Love with Rose Eyeshadow Box 2 and Happily Ever After. In this one we have 6 shimmer eyeshadows and 4 matte eyeshadows. The color story of this palette is pink and purple. I like that we have lighter shades and darker shades, and this way you can create a lot of different eye looks. And I also like that with these eyeshadows I don't have to use a setting spray. And the winner is the Be Beautiful eyeshadow palette. This palette has everything that I want in a palette. We have a very nice variety of lighter and darker eyeshadows, a matte black eyeshadow, matte eyeshadows for my crease. Also I have a very nice shade for my brow bone highlighter, this one here. Let's not forget this pretty design that we have. This is one of the palettes by Essence with a mirror and names for the eyeshadows. I hope that they will release more eyeshadow palettes like this one in different color stories. I like all the 9 eyeshadow palettes that they have. If you want to see more cool Essence eyeshadow palettes, I have created a playlist and I will have a card here so you can watch all of my reviews that I have done. I have tried quite a few of Essence eyeshadow palettes. Share this video with a friend that likes Essence products. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite Essence eyeshadow palette. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!